Have you ever wondered why, in many parts of Europe, things like healthcare, education, and public transport just seem different? It's not just about quaint old cities and amazing food. There's a deep-seated philosophy at play, one that revolves around a powerful idea: the public sector. While some parts of the world champion private enterprise above all else, many European nations continue to place immense faith in collective solutions for shared problems. But why is that? What makes this model so enduring? Let us dive into why Europe still believes in the power of we over me. At its heart, the European belief in the public sector is about universal access. The idea is simple but profound. Essential services should be available to everyone, regardless of their income or social status. Think about healthcare. In most European countries, you can walk into a hospital, get treated for a serious illness, and not walk out with a bill that could bankrupt your entire family. This isn't magic, it's a deliberate choice. Systems like the UK's National Health Service or France's state-funded healthcare are built on the principle of solidarity. Everyone contributes through taxes, and everyone is covered. This creates a safety net, a sense of security that allows people to live their lives without the constant fear of a medical emergency wiping them out financially. It's seen not as a handout, but as a fundamental right of a citizen. The same principle applies to education. Imagine a system where the quality of your child's schooling doesn't depend on the zip code you can afford. In countries like Finland or Germany, public education is not just the default. It's often the best option. Universities, too, are heavily subsidized or even free. This opens doors for talent from all walks of life. The goal is to cultivate a knowledgeable and skilled population, which is seen as a collective asset. When a brilliant mind from a low-income family can become a world-class engineer or doctor without drowning in debt, society as a whole benefits. This investment in human capital is a long-term strategy for economic strength and social cohesion. Then there's the stuff we use every day: public transport. In many European cities, you'll find an intricate network of trains, trams, and buses that are clean, reliable, and affordable. This isn't just about convenience, it's a strategic choice for a better quality of life and a healthier planet. By investing heavily in public transit, cities reduce traffic congestion, lower carbon emissions, and make urban centers more livable for everyone. It connects people to jobs, to culture, to each other. It's about designing cities for people, not just for cars. This public-first approach extends to parks, libraries, and cultural institutions, creating shared spaces that enrich community life and are accessible to all. But let's be real, it's not a perfect utopia. European public sectors face their own set of challenges. Bureaucracy can be slow and cumbersome. There are constant debates about funding, efficiency, and how to adapt to a changing world. Taxes in these countries are often higher, and that's the trade-off. Citizens pay more, but they expect more in return: a robust social safety net and high-quality public services. The key difference is the public conversation. The debate isn't usually about whether these services should exist, but about how to make them better. The fundamental belief in their necessity is rarely questioned. This trust in the public sector is also rooted in history. After the devastation of World War II, many European nations rebuilt themselves with a clear vision to create more stable, equitable societies. The welfare state was born from a desire to prevent the extreme inequalities and social unrest that had plagued the continent before. It was a promise that everyone would have a basic standard of living and a stake in society as success. This historical memory still shapes political and social attitudes today. It's a legacy of solidarity born from hardship. Furthermore, there's an economic argument. A healthy and well-educated workforce is a productive workforce. When people aren't stressed about healthcare or saddled with student debt, they are more likely to be innovative, start businesses, and contribute to the economy. Strong public infrastructure, from high-speed rail to reliable internet, makes the entire country more competitive on a global scale. So in a way, investing in the public sector isn't just a social good. It's a smart economic strategy. It's about creating a stable foundation upon which a dynamic private sector can thrive. Ultimately, the European model is a testament to the idea that some things are too important to be left to the whims of the market. It's a belief that by pooling our resources, we can build a society that is not only more prosperous, but also more just, secure, and humane. It's about acknowledging that we are all in this together, and that our collective well-being depends on supporting one another. It's a different way of looking at the world, one that continues to shape the lives of millions. What do you think? Could this model work elsewhere, or are its trade-offs too high? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into how our world works.